Look at that. Woo! Look at the sand. He's blowing. Look at that. Woo! All right, all right. Extreme wind. Look at that. First extreme wind. I was blowing my eyes, but I got my sunglasses on today, so it's good. And then we're gonna go ahead sport mode. Here you go. Thing screams. Woo! It's not even affecting the wind. Look at that. It's quiet too. That's a good thing about it. Going upwind. Going upwind, going upwind. All right. It's going. It's gonna go fast mode right here. Here you go. It's actually smoother controlling than a Spark on this guy here. Woo! All right, let's go ahead, go through waves. Woo! In extreme wind. Passing through big waves. Woo! All right, all right. Look at that. It's a smooth flyer. Woo! Coming full speed. Look at this thing go. Wow. Quick. In extreme wind. Look at that drift. So it feels like a DJI Spark. It's weird. It's like Mavic Air Spark. I mean, this thing is just moving. There you go. Woo! All right, hit the bird, hit the bird. Let me do a quick shot on the bird. Oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh. All right, I got 20% battery. Woo! Wow. He wants to land in 10 seconds. Woo! Woo! All right, let's go avoid it. Whoa! More speed, more speed. Woo! I got 15% battery. All right, let's go ahead. It's going quick. Woo! Damn! Don't tell me what I'm thinking, right? Is he going under? Woo! Going upwind like butter. Wow. Alright, we're gonna go ahead on full speed coming this way. Look at that Mavic Mini. Woo! Speed. Going upwind. Look at that thing drift. All right, let's go ahead and see if you'll land in the water. How many pressure you have to press? So we're not letting you land in the water. You gotta like press it. See? You have to press it. You have to press the key. That's a good thing. That's a good feature. Woo! All right, when you land this, an extreme wind. Look at that. Woo! Let me see if it'll land. Let me see if it'll land an extreme wind. Let's go ahead and see if it'll land. Let's go ahead. All right. That was fun, guys.